Our company has 16 years of industry experience, focusing on consumer electronic FPC, medical PCB, and aerospace industry HDI PCB manufacturing processes, providing prototype, assembly, and mass production services. Our own factory and dedicated R&D team enable us to provide best-in-class customized solutions for all kinds of flexible printed circuit boards. Our expertise lies in the production of 1 to 30 layer flex printed circuits, as well as 2 to 30 layer rigid flex circuits, HDI flex PCBs, and HDI rigid flex PCBs. As a leader in the field, we are committed to being at the forefront of technology and providing professional services to our customers. As a leading supplier of medical flexible printed circuit boards, we understand the importance of quality and precision in the manufacturing process, so the machines we use in the production process are the most advanced and the highest precision. Our expertise in producing 1 to 30 layers FPC, 2 to 30 layers rigid flex circuits, and HDI rigid flex PCBs enables us to provide high-performance solutions that meet the stringent requirements of the medical industry. With our in-house R&D team and advanced manufacturing capabilities, we're able to provide customized solutions that meet our customers' specific needs.